So I was debating whether I wanted to post this video. I was thinking, I'm like, you know, you can see the other video where I was testing the Pro Press fittings with the no O-rings in them. And it made me think. Everybody beats on, you know, Pro Press and everybody always questioning it. And I'm like, you know what? Maybe I should just start testing solder joints. And I was thinking, well, that's going to be dumb. Because solder joints are like bulletproof. But then it made me think. Like, once you crack the solder joint, it's going to leak. So, and what made me think of this was I actually Pro Pressed too close to a solder joint. I didn't follow the manufacturer's specs. And I thought the Pro Press fitting was leaking. Which I thought was like crazy. Because they don't leak. Especially when you do them right. But I found out I cracked the solder joint. What I'm guessing is that I don't think it's going to be that hard to crack the solder joint. I'm just going to hit it with a pair of channel locks like I did the Pro Press video. I mean, yeah, you're not going to... People aren't going to be walking around hitting your copper pipes with, you know, a pair of channel locks. But, I mean, the only thing I could think of, you know, it's a good comparison, is like pipes just banging in the wall. That could be causing that. But I still don't even think even pipes in the wall would probably make solder joints fail. But I think it'll still be a good test. I'm still going to do it. I don't think it's going to take much for a solder joint to leak, though. I really don't. And it matters how this, the solder joint fails. I might just put some Pro Press fittings together with the O-rings. And I think that is going to be, like, bulletproof. Because if you've seen in the other video, the Pro Press fittings without the seals are sealing. And then once, you know, I'm bashing on it, eventually they'll leak. But even with that, the O-ring now, I can hit it all I want. And I don't think it's going to leak. Because the O-ring's going to be sealing it. I'll probably have to crush those fittings in half before those things start leaking. But yeah, let's do this. Let's start soldering. And yes, I know how to make a solder joint. I don't know if I can say I know how to solder. I don't want to offend anybody. But I can make a fitting not leak, so. Let's do this dance. Gonna bust out the torch. Bust the torch out. And blow the dust off of it. I cannot express enough with torch safety. I was in a rush one time after a job. This is before I had my top on my truck. Man, this thing's all cockeyed. But what happened was I was in a rush and I just threw this torch in the back of my truck. Thought nothing of it. Driving on the highway. And then all of a sudden I see smoke coming out my back. Little did I know, when I threw it, this button must have got clicked in. Started my back of my truck on fire. Looked like I had like 3 water bottles in the back to put it out. Oh, and then I had this, instead of the top I had like, it was just a flat cover and it was plastic. Story of my life. Where something could go wrong, will go wrong. So, we'll just go right here. Which way we're supposed to turn this thing? There we go. This way. Go a little further. hoping these fittings fit on for me. Last time I tried to put these on, I can't get them on, even when I like chamfer the edges. Or what do you want to call it? I get rid of the edge right here. But there is an edge right now. Even when I get rid of it, it's crazy. I gotta show you guys. Okay. So I'll get rid of the edge. Let's see if it goes in. It's so tight. I don't know. Pretty sure you're not supposed to do this, but one of this is gonna make my life easier. I've never seen anybody do that before. See, I don't know what's wrong with these fittings. I bought a pack of them. I have nothing but issues with them. And it is Nipco. Ah, that hurt. Let me know in the comments what I'm doing wrong, because I can't get this to fit to save my life. Yeah, I just put flux on and probably helps lube it up right now, but I don't want to go through that trouble if the fitting's not even going to fit. Yeah. Garbage. Garbage, garbage, garbage. Let's see what else we got. Okay, we're gonna need this. See, now watch this. I bet you this is gonna fit. See? And that's a slip coupling too. Another slip. Let's try these. Get this garbage out of here. Yeah, I'm doing something wrong. This is ridiculous. These are probably bought from Home Depot too. Yeah, obviously I'm going to sand everything. I just want to make sure that it all fits. First, before I start going crazy. Unreal. Okay, here's another one. I think this is gonna fit easy. See, that's how it's supposed to go. Now hopefully I got another coupling like that. Okay, gotta get rid of that edge. There we go. Okay. And we're done. Everybody needs a little Harbor Freight in their lives. Okay, that's done. We're going to put the end on this. See if this is going to fit. Say, that's good. I don't know if I'm going to get that off now. Darn it. Okay. Okay. Bought a bunch of these at Harbor Freight for super cheap. Yeah, the hair definitely comes off of them. You gotta watch out for that when you're soldering. Okay, just flux her all up. Lead-free solder. This is the paste. I heard the paste is supposed to be good for the brass. I guess not really for copper. I could be wrong. Let me know. Got hair in the flux. I wonder why. Make sure you get no hair in your solder joints. That's for sure. Okay. I'm gonna run out of pipe. I gotta cut another piece. Went a little crazy with the solder, but whatever. Whatever. Push that on. It's all the way in. Soldering time. I have to go start getting more soldering. I have to start getting more solder soon. Really soon. How do I want to prop this up? That is the question. That'll work. Safety glasses. It's my luck, it's gonna spit in my eyes. gonna start rolling on me. Can't roll now. Hard time reaching it. Oops. Goofing that joint up. Let's see what I did. Oh, should have got a pair of channel locks. Yep, definitely not the prettiest solder joints, but it'll get the job done. And I believe in, like what some of the guys say, where you should let it cool instead of actually putting water on it. And then, you know, cooling it down super fast and risking a crack in the solder joint. Yeah, it looks like it's holding water. So now let's hit with a pair of channel locks. I'm gonna hit on the pipes first, and then I'm gonna go back, probably hit them on the fittings eventually. Kind of put a gash in there already. I don't know if that's fair, but that's still not leaking. Starting to feel dumb now. I thought I'd be like, oh yeah, all you gotta do is just crack the joint. But I guess it can't crack if you can't crack it. Wow. Figured I would have cracked it by now. This stuff is bulletproof. I might need a bigger hammer. Guess my solder joints are good. A little curvy. Wow. Look at this pipe. Oh, we finally got a leak. Wow. I guess you can't beat old school soldering. Wow. Oh, I got pinholes now. See, that's what I was figuring was going to happen if I just cracked it once or twice. Yeah, this is pretty strong. Really strong. This pipe is mangled up. It's still holding pretty well. Wow. I want to get this one to leak. Look at this pipe. Look at that fitting. Oh, this is awesome. I'm almost getting tired from hitting it so many times. Okay, we're gonna set it down. Oh! Scared the crap out of me. Finally, I had to make a hole through the fitting for it to finally start leaking. Good stuff. Good stuff. And that's a wrap.